Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to add an extension to your web browser. First you'll want to go to Chrome, which is the type of browser you can add extensions to. Then by going to the Chrome Web Store you can see a list of different extensions that are available. You can also click on a link given to you by somebody else and it'll take you directly to a specific extension. Whichever method you choose, you'll get to a page that looks like this. Here you can learn more about that extension or select the blue button to add to Chrome. Then you'll get a message that's asking for permission to add this extension. Select Add Extension. From here, you'll see a notification that the extension has been added. And it's as simple as that. If you want to see what extensions you have available, click on these three dots and hover over to More Tools and select Extensions. From here, you can see all the extensions you have on your computer. You can also choose to make the extension visible on your toolbar or invisible. So if you want it to show on your toolbar, select the blue sliding bar and it'll show at the very top. If you'd like to remove an extension, select the button that says Remove. Then give it the permission to remove, and it no longer will be on your computer. I hope this video helped.